Hey guys, this is a quick sound test on the HoloLand Lark M2. This is what the microphone sounds like with no noise cancellation on. This is in a car with the air conditioning on. And now when I turn the noise cancellation on, this is what it sounds like while not driving the car. And now again the noise cancellation is off and we will be driving the car, so most likely we'll hear a bit more ambient noise. And once I turn the noise cancellation on again, now we have noise cancellation on, and this is what the microphone sounds like with noise cancellation on while driving the car. If you're interested in getting a HoloLand Lark M2, there will be a link down below in the description. And if you're wondering, the camera is mounted on a small rig camera mount, a suction cup mount with the Android phone installed on the mount with I think it's a Ulanzi clip mount. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.